Hi guys, so today I'm gonna vlog. It's gonna be another vlog and I'm loving this vlog. So anyways, if you haven't watched my hair transformation, make sure to watch it because I am in love with my hair. I mean, look how nice and cute my hair is, and I love how this one is lighter here and this one right here is lighter, and I don't know, I just like I love how it's lighter. Anyway, it's just me, but yes, love my hair. Look at this. Anyway, so today's vlog I'm gonna do a haul and also Sephora and Ulta haul. So first things first, from Ulta, I put the Sephora products here as well just because there's only like three stuff that I got. This is the Olaplex number 0, and I believe this is new. This is number 0 is new. So, and the one, it also comes with number 3 here right there. So that's the number 3, and my hairstylist, she highly recommend Olaplex, and I actually have been loving their whole like line. So I have everything except for number 1. I don't know, I think I have everything because I have the shampoo, conditioner, the number 6 and 7, and now I have the number 0 and 3. So I don't know which one I'm missing, but I feel like I have everything. I'm not quite sure, but this is the number 0 and also the number 3. So I can't wait to try this on because like I said, I just got my hair done, and she highly recommend Olaplex. And right now, before you guys, I've been using different type of like shampoo and conditioner, and I don't really care about my hair before. Like I just use whatever products are available, but now that I discover Olaplex, for some reason my hair has been liking it. So I don't know, just my opinion, and I am not planning on switching up on my other shampoos. I don't care, like I'm sticking this, even if I am gonna hopefully soon I'm gonna do like blonde, like ashy gray blonde soon. My hairstylist and I were talking that I'm gonna do maybe 3 to 4 months from now. I already scheduled an appointment actually, and after this, like I'm gonna go like fully ashy blonde. So right now I love this like little like brownie. It doesn't look, I don't know why the color doesn't catching up, but yeah, it's so nice, personal. This is the this is the Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, and I got the shade 10, not 10 but medium. So you guys, look how pretty the packaging is. Oh, look at that. Look at that powder. Wow. So I can't wait to try this on and use this. So this is very expensive. The mainly purpose of me going there is just for this one and the Olaplex, but when I saw this lip cream, where is that, from Patrick Ta, I believe he's like a famous makeup artist, I don't know, but yeah. So while in Sephora, you cannot swatch. You have to ask the sales associate, and then they're gonna like do it for you, because you cannot just like because of COVID, you cannot just like do whatever you want and test the tester, because they're trying to make sure that everybody's not touching it, because you know, just for COVID reason. But this is in the shade She's Confident. Don't mind my nails, I'm actually gonna do it today. It's really long, I have to trim them, but yeah, the packaging of this one is, wow, look at that packaging. It's very like, how do you call that, like sleek. It's like classy looking. But I got the shade She's Confident, and I can't wait to try this on. And that's the only thing I got from Sephora. And moving on to Ulta, I have a couple stuff from Ulta as well. I got my receipt here. So first things first, I've been wanting this, you guys. This is the Tree Hut, and you guys know I love my Tree Hut scrub, and I still have like a lot of collection. So now Ulta sells them $8.99, and I just noticed, I went to Walmart last couple week or day, they sell them for like $6.99 or like $7.99. I'd rather buy them at Walmart now because they're kind of expensive at Ulta. They're like $8.99. So yeah, but they don't have this at Walmart. So finally, because I was there last couple weeks ago too at Ulta, and I couldn't find this. They were like out of stock. But this is, I want to try this coconut lime moisturizing shave oil for like my legs, if I want to shave my legs. I'm not really like hairy, like I barely shave my legs, you guys, and I just use like conditioner to like shave my legs. But I literally shave maybe like a month, one month and a half, because I have hair but they're really thin, like they're not like hairy, you know. So I can't wait to use this. Next one is this Urban Decay all-nighter and this lick. So I was gonna get just this one, the bigger bottle, but I asked the sales associate at Ulta if what does she prefer, and she said that it's much better if I mix them both. That's what she said. And it will, she said she's oily skin, and I asked her like, how can you, what setting spray can like hold the makeup and not move if you're wearing a mask, and she said she's been mixing them both. So I already tried this before a long time ago. This is the all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray, and this is the, I haven't tried this, this is the Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. So I'm gonna give it a try today if it's really, you know, good, because I hate wearing masks, because especially if I have makeup and then the mask is just gonna go into makeup, so it's like, oh, I hate it. So both of these are actually $15, and hold on, this one cost $11.99. And last but not least is this Versace Bright Crystal perfume. You guys, when I was in Sephora yesterday with my friend, she sprayed this to me, and I was like, that smells really good. And I was like, do I really need it? Like, do I not need it? But then it stayed, like the scent literally stayed. I don't know what time she sprayed it to me, and then until earlier this morning, I can still, like up until now, I can still smell this one. And I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna look at Ulta, hopefully if they have one, and this is like the last one. And I was like, yep, that's for me, like that's for me, that bottle is for me. So I got the perfume in Bright Crystal, and this one is $78, and this is the one with this is the one 1.7 fluid ounces. So oh my god, I have like the yellow one, my husband got that for me. It's really strong, and this one is very feminine, like very light, and I don't know, it's not on your face like perfume. Look at the bottle, you guys. Oh my god, this is bigger than the actual like perfume. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So yeah, this is what I got, and I can't wait to use them. I think I'm just gonna, because they're really expensive, so I'm gonna like use them like probably if I'm going on a date with my husband, or if I'm going special occasion, because this is so expensive. This is like $78. Yeah, $78. And okay, moving on. Also receive a package from Hi-O, and this is the nipple covers and the boob tape that I've been using quite lately as well. So you guys, if you haven't tried like nipple covers or like, what do you call this, boob tape, then you should definitely check them out. I will leave the exact link, and you can also shop them at Amazon. Like you can shop them at Amazon, they have one. And also yeah, Amazon. And I ran out of my nipple covers because lately I have been just like putting nipple covers instead of using bra, because it was still, I feel like it's still summer because it's still hot outside. Like it's still hot, and to the point that I don't want to wear bra, and I just want to wear like nipple covers and like a little bit of boob tape, and like that's literally it. And this has been like my best friend. So this is from Xoxo, and they sent me another nipple covers and boob tape. So this is what I've been loving, you guys. This is actually really good, and I don't know, I have been loving this nipple cover. So yeah, I can't wait to use this. And also my nipple covers, I'm actually using this. I'm gonna try to use this today because I don't know, I don't feel wearing like bra at all. So yeah, that is it for like haul slash PR haul. And we are going to my sister's birthday. It's her birthday today, and I have to wrap her gift up. And after that, I'm gonna clean this table before I even like go. So yeah, that's our like agenda today. And I think I'm not gonna like vlog over there. I'm just gonna like probably vlog a little bit on my phone, but not too much. So yeah, I will talk to you later, or maybe tomorrow, because I just want to spend time with my family. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Again, now I'm looking for eggs. Getting some spring mix. Potatoes. Hi guys, it's me again. So I'm gonna be doing another haul. So I went to Target, and the purpose of me going there is just for like school supplies, because I have a good news. So next month, which is September, I'm starting to do online classes. So I'm excited. Starting next month, which is like September. So I got some notebook. This is clear, like not clear, like this is like a marble looking notebook right there, and I believe this is like $11.99. And I also got some highlighter and sticky notes. I love sticky notes. And also this sandal is on sale, and I got it right here. Sandals, summer sandals, and it was on sale for $9.99. The original price is $19.99, which is like 20 bucks. And then I also got some body wash. So this is the Olay body wash right there. I smelled it earlier while I'm in the car. This one smells really good. So I've been using the Dr. Brunner's, and I've been loving that. So but then I saw a lot of people on TikTok use this body wash, or like I want to try, so I got it. And I believe this is $7.99. hold on, let me look at the receipt. This is, yep, $7.99 for the body wash. And then I have here some rinse off body conditioner plus Shea moisture, and this is $5.99. And I got more 3 Hot body scrub, but I already put it downstairs. I got the vitamin C and the Moroccan Rose, just 2 of them, because they were $6.99 at Target. I'm trying to buy them at Target or Walmart now because they're kind of expensive if I buy them at Ulta. So yeah, that's what I got from Target, you guys. And I actually just filmed I film in balikbayan box. So next week I'm finally sending this box. And I was on the phone with my sister as well after I filmed. I was on the phone and I was telling her, you know, like about the box and stuff. So can't wait to ship this next week. So yeah, I have like my dirty brushes here that I don't know if I'm gonna wash them tonight or not, because I don't know. It's already like late. Yeah, so I have like dirty brushes here. So I don't know if I'm just gonna like wash this tonight or not, but yeah, I have some dirty brushes here because once like I'm gonna be trying to wash them like once a week at least, because they're getting really dirty and I don't want to like use a dirty brush. So I'm gonna try to wash them. If maybe after I eat like dinner, I'm gonna try to wash them. So yeah, or I'm probably gonna do like a separate video on how I wash my makeup brush. I don't know if you guys are interested with that. So yeah, I have my SD cards here because tomorrow, if I'm like on break or something at work, I'm gonna try to edit some of the videos. And I'm also I'm gonna charge my Canon G7X, which is the one I'm using right now, later. So yeah, I'm just, look at this clear mug, you guys. If you guys are like literally interested, you DM me. I think there's like 3 people who's interested in this mug. I'm gonna try to leave the exact mug on my description box below if you guys are interested in this clear mug. I like this, using on my coffee. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to clear out my space here because like I said, I just filmed this one, the balikbayan box one. So yeah, and I also have to like fill up the form, and I have to, so the only thing that is missing at for this box is for my nephew Zaki. I still have to buy him some baby clothes because I have a toy for him and some little baby clothes, but it's like not enough. But then I still have a little bit space here in the box, so around maybe earlier Friday or Thursday, I'm gonna stop by at Marshall or like Target and buy him like more clothes, like baby clothes, so I have something for him, because I already have one for my sister Mika, Sydney, Trisha, and brother, and my friend, and also some of my cousins. So I told my sister, I was on the phone with her earlier, that maybe some of the chocolates she can share to my cousin, and you know, like the people around there, because it's actually, I mean, it's not a lot, it's kind of like a decent amount of chocolate. So yeah, I'm gonna try to eat, you guys. I don't know where's my phone. I'm gonna try to eat because I feel like it's already 8 o'clock and I have to clear my desk first. Like I have to like clean my desk. Just gonna, if you guys are alright, so I'm gonna try to clean this. I'm gonna put this downstairs, and this mirror here for a minute, and water. Yeah, this